Walking through the front door at Weller Recreation, you'll find dozens of new machines, polished and ready to drive off the showroom floor. But what you might not see is this. Dozens of crates filled with new machines still waiting to be opened and assembled.
We assemble, depending on the day, 3 to 4 new units per day. We have 2 full-time assemblers. They can assemble anything from a snowmobile, a dirt bike, all the way up to a side-by-side.
One of those assemblers is Joe Keddington. He loves his job, and for good reason.
Joe's awesome. Every day he shows up with a smile. Great guy. I would say Joe's the perfect assembler at Weller Recreation.
I'm Joe. I work here at Weller Recreation as the assembler. The challenge is exciting. I enjoy that. I enjoy using my brain and figuring things out. This is a good place to work for that.
The first thing Joe assembled today was a Can-Am Maverick XDS. Well, some assemblies can take up to 5 hours. This one took him only 2. It's almost ready for the showroom floor, but before that, there's one more important item to check off the list: quality assurance.
I'm the first one to drive it. It's a lot of fun, especially when we get a brand new machine in that we haven't had before. It kind of makes all the other guys in the shop, all the techs, a little jealous that I get to put it together, and then I get to go drive it. I get to see what it can do. It's the best part about my job. All right, here we go. The brakes are working. Make sure it's steered to speed. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in 4-wheel drive and high. Make sure that works. Back to the shop. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun.